Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Choose a site with full sun and at least 6 hours of direct light daily. Dwarf green beans need bright conditions to set pods. Prepare loose, well-draining soil with pH between 0 and 6. 8 and 2 to 4% organic matter, incorporating 1 to 2 inches of compost. Space rows 18 inches apart, sow seeds 1 inch deep and 2 inches apart, covering gently. Keep seed beds moist, but not waterlogged, until germination at 7 to 14 days. Then thin to recommended spacing for airflow. Water regularly to maintain even moisture, providing about 1 inch per week during dry spells and more in sandy soils. Avoid overhead wetting late in the day to reduce disease risk. Do not overfertilize with high nitrogen. Use a balanced 5-10-10 starter or side dress with 1 to 2 inches of compost at first flowering to support pod set. Apply 2 to 3 inches of organic mulch to conserve moisture, reduce weeds, regulate soil temperature, and prevent soil from crusting and smothering emerging roots. Scout plants weekly for common pests like aphids, bean beetles, and caterpillars. Use floating row covers until flowering or handpick insects, and apply insecticidal soap per label if infestation exceeds threshold. Harvest dwarf green beans when pods are firm, usually 3 to 4 inches long, before seeds swell. Pick every 2 to 3 days to encourage continued production. Practice crop rotation. Avoid planting beans where tomatoes or potatoes grew last season, and remove spent plants to reduce disease and maintain.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.